Now that you've learned how to leave space ahead and to the sides of your vehicle, let's talk about the space behind you. Not surprisingly, the space behind you is the hardest to control. That's because it's mostly up to the driver behind you. There's not a lot you can do about a tailgater. You can't speed up because you'd cut into your margin of safety in front. The best thing to do is simply keep going until it's safe for the vehicle behind to pass. Then, ease your foot off the accelerator. This encourages the tailgater to pass and makes it easier for him to get by. In extreme cases, it's even worth pulling off the road to put space between you and a possibly aggressive driver. If you have to slow down, try to alert the driver behind. Lightly tapping the brake pedal a few times before actually starting to slow down will do just that. By maintaining enough space around your vehicle at all times, it will be much easier to avoid colliding with objects that start to come too close. Let's take a look at some scenarios where you can use space to help reduce the risk of something going wrong. What should you do here? If you continue, both vehicles will pass that parked car at the same time. Quite a squeeze. Instead, you can slow down and deal with the oncoming car and the parked car one at a time. You let one risk go by and then tackle the next one. How about here? If one road user is more vulnerable than another, try to allow more space between you and the more vulnerable one. It's a good bet that car is stopping to parallel park. If you keep going, both cars will be stuck. Instead, slow down and leave the car enough room to complete the maneuver. You've learned how to manage the space around your car, and that's a really good thing. On the road, space offers you a lot of protection. It's up to you to maintain enough space around your vehicle at all times.